Hi there! Today we have in the house the newly launched Mi Power Bank Hypersonic. Now this one comes with 20,000 mAh battery and can fast charge up to 50 watts. That is insane. 50 watts on a power bank means that you can even charge your laptop with it. And since this comes with a 20,000 mAh battery, you can actually charge multiple devices at the same time and still have juice remaining on it. Now this is the power bank to get. सब कुछ फटाफट charge करो और कभी भी करो, कहीं भी करो. It's priced at $35.99. Now I know some of you might say it's pricey, considering Xiaomi's own 20,000 watt power bank costs just $16.99. But remember, that one maxes out at 18 watts, there's no fast charging on it, and neither can it charge a laptop. There's still a lot more that I have to share about it, so keep watching. But first we'll unbox it, we'll have a closer look at it. So let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. Right on the top, Mi Power Bank Hypersonic, 20,000 mAh, 50 watt smartphone charging, supports 45 watt laptop charging, 45 watt hypersonic recharging, smart power management. You can see the picture of the power bank, branding at the back, some manufacturing details. Alright, so let's quickly open it. So first thing is the power bank itself. Then you have a charging cable which is USB-C to USB-C. That's just brilliant. Is there anything else? No. Anything else in the box? No. That's it. So inside the box is just the cable and the power bank itself. Let's check it out. So here is the power bank. Matte black finish and looks very premium. It weighs a little shy of 500 grams but somehow feels lighter when you hold it in your hand. On the side is the power button. Here on the top are two USB-A ports and in the center is one USB-C port. Now all three ports can be used to charge devices, but you can only charge the power bank using the USB-C port. Then there are four LED lights that will tell you how much power it holds. On the other side too, it has a glossy finish with some details about the battery. It mentions 20,000 mAh battery. It's a really clean, simple design. So if you charge using the USB-A port, it will charge at 22.5 watts. And if you're using both USB-A ports simultaneously, it will charge at 15 watts. Now if you charge a phone from the USB-C port, it will charge at 50 watts. Of course, your phone needs to support that speed as well. Like the Poco F3 GT that supports 67 watt charging will charge up to 50 watts. You can also charge a smartwatch or smartband and the power bank would automatically switch it to low current mode to prevent power surge or any kind of damage. So right now I'm charging my laptop with the Mi Hypersonic power bank. Keep in mind, it will only charge if your laptop supports USB-C charging and it won't work with laptops that come with a proprietary charging port. It will charge with a max output of 45 watts. The power bank too can be charged at the same 45 watt, which is super fast. Of course, it's a 20,000 mAh battery, so it won't be as fast as charging a phone, but still 0 to 100 in just 3 hours and 50 minutes. That is really cool. Now I know some of you might not have a 45 watt charger to charge this power bank, so ideally you can use your laptop's USB-C charger or you can even use your phone's USB charger. Now most USB chargers that come with phones are 33 watts, so yes, it will take a little longer time to charge the power bank, but it'll still work. So while I was scripting this video, I also researched if you can carry this power bank with you on a flight. Yes, a 20,000 mAh power bank is allowed, but make sure that you carry it in your handbag and never in your check-in luggage. Once you have this brick charged with you, I can say you aren't going to run out of juice, for sure. Now it comes with tons of other features like temperature resistant, protection from overcharge and over discharge. There you go, huge list of protection measures in place, so you don't have to worry a thing. You can buy the Mi Power Bank Hypersonic 20,000 mAh for $35.99 on mi.com. The sale starts tomorrow, 3rd September at 12 noon. Now if you think you don't need a fast charging power bank, you can even consider the Mi Power Bank 20,000 mAh, the regular one for $16.99. Personally, I would say go for the fast hypersonic one. It'll always be better in the long run. I'll share the links for both the power banks in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.